Good morning children. In last class we have completed about the coastal plains and we have discussed about the desert, and now we are entering into the last major divisions of our India, that is the islands. Sixth one, the islands. So we are going to discuss about the island. The islands are of two types. The islands are of what? Two types. The first one is onshore islands and offshore islands. Onshore islands and the offshore islands. What is the meaning of the onshore islands? The islands which are formed by the water bodies, like seas and the oceans, we are calling it as what? Onshore islands. But the offshore islands are not formed by the water bodies like seas and the oceans. The offshore islands are formed by the rivers. Formed by the what? Rivers. For example, Majoli Island. Majoli Island. Can you guess where it is located? This Majoli Island is located in the Assam in our India, which is formed by the river called Brahmaputra river. Yes, the Majoli Island is formed by which river? Brahmaputra river. Yes, in textbook you are not given the information, but the more additional information you can learn. So the islands are divided into the two. That is what? The onshore islands and the offshore islands. The islands means what? Which are covered by the water bodies. So the water bodies formed by the water bodies which form the islands, we are calling it as what? Onshore islands. What is the meaning of the offshore islands? The islands which are formed by the rivers. For example, the Majoli Island, which is formed by the Brahmaputra river in Assam. So where it is located, the Majoli Island is located in the Assam, formed by the Brahmaputra river. Again, these islands in India, we are having the two major islands. The first one is what? Is Lakshadweep Island. And second one, Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So the islands, the two islands in India, that is what? The Lakshadweep Islands, which are formed by the Arabian Sea. So which islands we can call it as what? Onshore islands. Why? Because the islands which are formed by the water bodies like the seas and oceans, we are calling it as what? Onshore islands. So the Lakshadweep Island means formed by the Arabian Sea. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are formed by the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. So let us see. So what we have said, the Lakshadweep Islands. The Lakshadweep Islands are the formation due to the Arabian Sea. For example, these are the Lakshadweep Islands. When go to the east side, Bay of Bengal forms the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So these are the what? Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is Andaman Islands and Nicobar Islands. So these Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the east side, formed by the Bay of Bengal. So let us look into the facts of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and let us discuss about the Lakshadweep Islands in the brief. So what we are going to discuss first one, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So simply you have to know the facts. So the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Formed by what? Bay of Bengal. Yes, Bay of Bengal. So, these Andaman and Nicobar Islands are having the stretched areas, nothing but the large areas, and but some of the islands in the Andaman and Nicobar are submerged by. Yes, the islands were submerged by mountains from Myanmar. So, which mountains? Arkan Yoma. So, what we have saying the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, some of the islands were submerged. So, have to remember the word what? Submerged. Why they have submerged? Due to the mountains from the Myanmar, especially what the Arkan Yoma. So, here we can have the Myanmar. So, due to the mountains from the Myanmar, especially the Arkan Yoma, submerged in some of the islands in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So, these Andaman and Nicobar Islands are of what? Volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruptions. So, these are the volcanic regions. And the south of the Nicobar Islands. The south of the Nicobar Islands, we are having the most important point is what? Indira Point. Indira Point. The south tip of the Nicobar Islands is what? The Indira Point. What is the specialty of the Indira Point? So here, the south tip of the Indira Point. This Indira Point was submerged in 2004 due to the tsunami. So in 1 mark question they may ask, write about the Indira Point. The Indira Point is located in the Nicobar Islands. The south tip of the Nicobar Islands ends with the Indira Point. This Indira Point is submerged in the year 2004 due to the tsunami. So this is about what the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Again, in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, we can have the two another islands, that is Narkandam Islands and Belen Islands. Narkandam and Belen Islands. Yes, Narkandam and the Belen Islands. Now let us look into the Lakshadweep. Now second one is what? Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep Islands. So these are the Lakshadweep Islands which are formed in the west side by the Arabian Sea. So from which sea? Arabian Sea. So, these Lakshadweep Islands are coral origin. Coral origin. So, what is the meaning of the coral origin? This origin, which is filled by the materials of the dead animals or the substance of the dead animals, when they mix it with the dried leaves, we can form the relief under the sea level. We are calling it as what? Coral origin. Nothing but the coral animals, when they have died, that dyed material converts into the substances. When that substances again mixing in the soil, when the animals eat that substances, we are calling it as what? Coral origin. So the Lakshadweep Islands are what? Coral origin. So Lakshadweep Islands are formed by the Arabian Sea. Here you are having the coral region. There is plenty of flora and fauna. Nothing but the plants and the animals, flora and the fauna, plenty of. Again we can see the many birds migrating from the places. We are having the bird sanctuary in the Lakshadweep. So this is about the Lakshadweep Islands. So we have completed the major relief regions of our India. So what you have learned or what you have observed by the India and its relief features. So conclusion, in your textbook also after lesson you are having the conclusion. So generally what is the meaning of the conclusions? After listening to some topic or when we get the knowledge about the some new thing, we should get some idea or we should get some the conclusion regarding that matter or that part. So after completing the first part, that is the Indian relief features, we have got some conclusion. So what is that conclusion? Let us discuss. So these are what Himalayas and south to Indo-Gangetic plains, and to that we have learned about the Peninsular Plateau. Again this Peninsular Plateau is divided into the Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau. This Peninsular Plateau is bounded by the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. So how these Western Ghats are extended from which place to which place? How the Eastern Ghats are extended? Again we have learned about the coastal plains. So west coastal plains are called by the different names in the different states. East coastal plains are called by the different names in the different states. We have studied about the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We have studied about the Lakshadweep Islands. We have studied about the Thar Desert, and we have studied about the rivers which are flowing both the Indo-Gangetic plains and the plateaus. How the perennial rivers are benefiting the soil in the northeastern states. How it is benefiting the Indian human life in increasing the agriculture. How the rain-fed rivers which are located in the Deccan Plateau. So again the farmers are depending for the second crop by the tube wells or the tanks. So this is total, we got the idea about the Indian relief features. So the conclusion, we can say that India is having the vast diversity. India is a vast diversity, having the plenty of perennial rivers, and we are having the fertile soil. Yes, we are having the plateaus, and the human life, there is a differences in the northeastern states, and there is a difference in the Deccan Plateau or the Peninsular Plateau. This is total about the India and its relief features. So successfully we have completed the first lesson in the part 1 India relief features.